Alright guys, I want to make a quick video to go through all of my BSR Red Mountains. Most of them are hand scribed. Those are the ones I've been trying to find. I've got a couple that are not, that I'll replace them as, quick as I can. This one is the 14 and it's got an A and an S. It's all underlined and it has a dot to the right. It's in really, really good shape. Great cooker. And then we'll look at this one. Is one of the ones that is not hand scribed, but it's a 12. Picked up this one at a little thrift store, and it actually had the lid with it, which is really, really hard to find. Then I've got this number 10, which it is not hand scribed either, but this one, it's real far apart. And this one's a pretty decent shaped one too. It's got some marks. I mean, all these are older pens, so they've got some definite use. And then got the number 9, which is one of the ones that are really hard to find. This one needs to be used a little bit more so I can get the seasoning all evened out. And next up is one of the older ones that I've got. It's totally hand scribed. You can see the 8 and A. And this one's a really nice one. I've got 3 or 4 of the size 8s. They're pretty common, but that's the coolest one, so I kept it in the collection. Now I've got the 7X, which I don't see a lot of the 7 Red Mountains, but this one has like a super smooth cooking surface, so this one stayed in the collection. And then we'll go to the 7S, which is part of the S series. Of course, it's hand scribed also. This is the size of a size 6. And then, speaking of size 6, here's my 6. And this one's definitely hand scribed and underlined. And it's one of the ones that they put it at 12 o'clock instead of 6, but this one's a really nice one. And this one's kind of cool. This one actually has the number and then an A and an N. It's really nice. It's got a few marks on it, not bad. And the next one is my 5S. Now this is the same size as a 4, and if you look close, you'll see that this one has the 4 ghost mark. I don't actually have a 4. They are very rare, very expensive. But for now, until I can just find one, this is good enough for me because I only need one the size of a 4. And we're getting to the last 2. This is my 3. This is also a really old one. It's got the hand scribed. Really great shape. And last but not least is my 3S. And a lot of the 3S's I noticed they have the little plus sign or cross up there. Really nice little skillet. But that's it, guys. That's my Red Mountains for now. I do have the Red Mountain corn stick pans, but I believe I've already made a video over those. So I hope everybody has a great night.